Hello and welcome to another episode of Caddy of the Day. We're in the middle of watching Caddy D Stallion setting up to tee off. There are wages involved. If Caddy the Stallion can outdrive the men from a woman's tee box, she wins the prize. Watch closely as she addresses the ball. Polyester form fitting. If she were to break wind, she might split her trousers. Caddy the Stallion winds up, twists her hips, and... great shot! By George, I think she's done it!
Caddy of the day, you know that we vibing. Over 100 courses over out here in Thailand. Ain't so many fatties, it's hard not to notice. Swinging my iron, but I'm trying, I keep losing focus. Yo, hit the green, let's play, yeah. You already know it's Caddy of the day, yeah. Hey, Richie Mac, do it major. Big boss player, Caddy of the day, yeah. Let's go!
Alright, y'all, once again, it's on. Playing with a different group today. We're gonna have fun. This is my caddy of the day. What is your name?
My name is Oom.
Oom. Your name is Oom. Y'all see some Oom? She got some Oom right up in here. You Thai, you Nissan? Thailand. Oom from Thailand. You dig? Oh, what's up? Ooh. Oh, you guys see this? I don't ask for this, man. They holding the umbrella and shit. Can't make this shit up.
One of the things I like most about this course, besides the beautiful caddies, is making new friends. Frank, Ron, and Johan made me feel right at home. Cost per round is between $40 to $60, and you can also play your PGA-style courses with the cost of upwards of $200 per round. Tipping the caddies is greatly appreciated. Tips usually go from $15 to $30. Watch till the end to see Caddy D Stallion putting it right up there in her polyester golf wear. On with the show.
Oh, it's gonna leak. It's leaking. Leaking. Oh! You might be able to find that though.
Making shit up, man.
It's fanning me. So how do you explain this? Tell me how you explain this.
And it's not just one course. These caddies are mostly always friendly. And as a pro tip, the older caddies really know the course and how to read the green. Some are a bit flirty. Others are shy. One thing's for sure and two things for certain. This is an experience you will never forget.
How do I tell you guys in the Matrix, like, the caddies, without asking, will fan you to cool you up. And do it with a smile on their face. You can't make this shit up. Right, Frank? You can't make this shit up.
You can't. This is awesome, man. You got to come out and golf with us. This is fantastic. Got your own caddy. You can ride around the cart. You can hang out with us. What else you want?
I can't wait to meet you guys in Thailand for the subscriber party, July 20th to August 1st. Now's the time to grab that passport, choose your excursion, book a flight, and see what paradise feels like.
Look at this. She thinks she's fat. She thinks she's fat. You guys don't understand out here, man. It's like, all you have to do is be a good person. And they like you for who you are because you're a good person. That's what makes this place so cool. So you have a caddy like this one. She take good care of him. Caddy like mine. She takes care of me. I can't make this up. I've been here too long for y'all to say I'm capping. I can't make this up. Caddy of the day. You dig?
And as promised, here's Caddy D Stallion taking a whack at the ball and putting it right up there.
All right, fellas, how you doing? We're here with Zoom to Thailand, Richie Mac, and we are talking about our golf tournament coming up here in July in Pattaya. You got to come on out. If you haven't signed up yet, get your names on the list. You get to come out. You get sexy caddies just like this. We're going to have a good time. We're going to have a good golf tournament, and we are going to enjoy ourselves. So if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe, Zoom to Thailand. Let us know about it, ring the bell, and we'll see you guys here in a couple weeks, and we're going to do some golfing.
Hey, Frank is out, you dig?
I really look forward to meeting each and every one of you. If you want to go on a golf date, make sure to email me at zoomtothailand@gmail.com and type golf date in the subject matter. Also, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button. Put the notifications to all, because you never know when we might do a pop-up in the middle of Thailand. You dig?